Okay, here's Thomas in the locker when it has batteries. Okay, choo-choo train, that's cool. No phase. Thomas. So far, so good. Now we go to the middle one. He does not like the music. He scrunches his eyebrows and puckers out his lip because he does not like the music. Now he knows I'm taping, so he's not gonna... Oh, you see the Toodles? Oh, look at that face. He dislikes the music very much. The only thing he does not like. Is that all you don't like there, sir?
I'm going places, Mommy. Bye.
Where are you going, Bubby?
Come on, sugar. Come on, baby.
Ooh, there he goes.
Come on, Billy. Handsome boy, come here. Thomas, come here. Come on. Come on.